Greetings to everyone who is perceiving it across the globe, regardless of which field of endeavor you may have, CSC, Triple E, CSC. You must have a strong command of engineering mathematics, which is required globally, and it is a mandatory course in your engineering curriculum. To your utter dismay, I tell you many of your friends or fellow classmates may still stammer on this fundamental lecture of solving linear differential equations. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first question that may be hovering in your mind is, what are linear differential equations and why should we be apprehensive about them? Well, linear differential equations are the set of equations which have degree 1 and order 1. Degree, as you know, is the power of the derivative and order is the highest derivative. So let's solve one example. A linear first order differential equation in the standard form can be expressed like this. To solve the first order linear differential equation, the articulated rule is expressed in 3 steps: rearrange, identify, and multiply. Firstly, we rearrange the first order linear differential equation in the standard form. Then we identify the p from the standard linear differential equation and find the integrating factors. So the integrating factors, as you can see, is like this. And step 3, we multiply the equation by integrating factor and integrate the both sides to get the solution of the equation. So to further clarify, let's solve one example. As you can see, dy by dx plus y divided by x equals to x square is a linear differential equation. So to solve it, first we have to rearrange, as it is already expressed in rearrange standard form, so we don't have to worry about step 1. Step 2, identify p and find the integrating factor. As you can clearly see, the p is 1 by x here. So this is the linear differential equation. So if we want to find the integrating factor, e to the power integration of p dx equals to e to the power integration of 1 by x dx, and if we solve it, you will get the integrating factor of x. Now the step 3, multiply the equation by integrating factor and integrate both sides. So the integrating factor here is x, so you multiply the x to the both side of the equation, left and right, and integrate the both side, and you get the solution here. This is your answer. So now at your home, you should try to solve example 3, which is a self practice problem, and if you solve it correctly, you should get an answer like this: my y by x equals to negative cos x plus c. So before concluding, I hope this conspectus recapitulation of solving linear differential equation aided to resolve any ambivalence you have regarding this topic. I tried to amalgamate this lecture through profound research, but if you have any trivial matters, please be oblivious about them. But definitely for any queries or suggestion, you can comment or mail. We highly appreciate it. And before ending, I would like to mention my professor, Dr. Hasina Akhtar, who enlightened me with the surface knowledge which aided in articulation of this lecture. Thanks everyone, and here are the references book which you can follow.